Hi guys and welcome to Thrustzone.com. This is Mohit Soni. This is your first look at the Simple Energy 1 electric scooter that has just been launched in the Indian market, and this is the Gen 1 with slight upgrade. So this is Gen 1.5, and what this scooter promises basically is a bit more of something or the other in one way, because there's not a big change over the Gen 1 variant, and at the same time there are subtle updates that keep it fresh, and that's one of the reasons why we've been invited to Bangalore to test ride this vehicle for a day. So we don't have a range test or anything like that for you. This is going to be a first impression of what the scooter is like. Of course, this is also my first time getting my hands on the Simple. We were told that we will get the scooter shortly after the first ride, but that didn't happen for quite some time. But nevertheless, it is here. And what do we think of it? Well, for starters, this is a very compact, very sharp, very sporty, very youthful looking scooter for a brand that is named Simple. This is something a little bit too much for the older folks to absorb, because this is a very youthful, very sharp, very highly creased scooter in terms of design. So, and it's quite compact as well. It isn't your family scooter at first look, but then again it is actually so compact and so light that it actually becomes one of the family scooters. So let me just show you what the design is like. You can see the LED lights and DRLs here, the LED DRLs on the top. Again, lot of creases, lot of lines on the front apron here. On the side you have this very impressive sharp design, which appeals to me, but I don't think it's going to appeal to a lot of people, because that's the complete theme that is going on here in terms of sharp design. As you can see, these are the creases here as well. The whole panel is creased, and then there is a crease on the top. So that's very unique, but there is very good amount of consistency in that design, and that is why it gives it that look that will appeal to a very large audience, but I'm not sure how it will go with the mature audience. As you can see here and here as well, and that is actually quite a big seat. You can have pillion plus rider quite easily on this. You've got these crease lines all over here as well. This hook here to keep some bags. This is of course a charging point. In terms of quality, it is good. Fit finish is also good, but could have been better. But as we all know, the pricing is impressive, so for that price it seems to be just right. The switch gear is actually quite very impressive. High beam, low beam and pass beam is right here. You've got your indicators, your horn, very nicely done switch which works really well, and just like ICE scooters. So this is actually this button is seen on very high-end motorcycles. It makes its way to the Simple here, and it is quite good. This is to change modes and go through the menus that are on offer here, and as you can see, this here, it is actually quite bright in absolute bright sunlight also. It seems to be working well. You go here, you do this, and you will see you can have your vehicle documents stored here, and as you can see, the portable battery is at 100%, the main battery is at 43%. You've got your own TPMS as well, distance covered 132. So this is the odometer basically, and that is how the brightness is adjusted. You can use the colors which change, as you can see, which is actually quite brilliant. Very neat touch. And this is the new part where turn indicators make noise, and the park assistant also, when I put it into reverse, will make noise. So that's quite good. You've got the new welcome light, exit light, drop safe on offer. This is the connectivity features. The Bluetooth part is the brand new part in the Gen 1.5 variant here. It obviously gets the Jio eSIM on this scooter to make it quite connected, as well as you can use the Bluetooth app from your phone, and add the documents and do all of that, see the stats and everything, which I will show you once I road test it and have more time with the scooter, and I can go through the app as well. So that's quite impressive. You've got the emergency numbers and everything stored here. You can change this as well for your own scooter. And this is the 1.5. It's called the Super Stack. The OS is called, and as you can see, these are all the changes. So if you can just pause and see all these changes, that's actually quite good. I've already told you what pretty much everything is. You go back to the main screen, you see your speed, your indicators and everything, and that's how you change the riding modes on this. So there has been an increase of range in the IDC range calculations by 40 kilometers. In real life, it's barely 10 to 15 kilometers. So it is a welcome move. There has been some changes. A lot of manufacturers in the last 3 months have shown similar batteries delivering more range, because it's all on data and how much you can squeeze the battery cells to remove more range in a safe manner. So one of the reasons why you're seeing a lot of existing scooters with higher range is because they're getting the data, they're using it, and they're making sure that you get the most range out of it, because everybody needs higher range and lower charging time. So Simple has always been there with a very high range of 180 kilometers, so that's quite good. And you know, now it reaches to 190, and somebody is, in fact, Simple told us that there are clients that they've been able to get 200 also just in pure city riding. We've been out riding it on the highway. We started at 95%, we are at 58%, and we've done a good 50-60 kilometers, so that is on full speed, so that is quite impressive. And yeah, so that's the range and the, you know, features list. And in terms of riding, this is a very nimble, very agile scooter. You don't feel the weight of the batteries. It is a very light scooter at 136 kg, and you know, it is something that is fun to ride. It's quite agile, quite nimble, and makes things quite impressive for fun to ride nature, because you have all the three ride modes: the ride mode, the dash mode, and the sonic mode. All of them are actually quite brilliant, and all of them are tuned in very specific ways. You know, as they go up the ladder, they have been you know, making sure that it feels right. So eco mode feels very tame, ride mode feels normal, dash feels a little bit faster, and sonic is when things go sonic basically, and you get a full blown acceleration of the line, which is actually very, very quick. You get 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds, so I think that is actually quite brilliant. Simple has always been known for its performance, its very unique styling, and the kind of range that it offers. So there is a lot of hard work in this scooter to deliver all these three things together, and this is something that we've seen in other scooters come in very slowly and steadily, but with Simple, they got it right at first go with this subtle change, slight improvements in feature and slight improvement in range. It now becomes on par with the rivals and slightly better than most rivals as well. So this is something Simple has gotten right, and you know, it's kudos to Simple, who's has made everything in-house, be it the motor, be it the batteries and everything. Most of the things Simple say has been made internally, and that is actually a good sign. One of the reasons why they have an emergency response team, so that if anything goes wrong, they will send the persons to check what is actually happening. They have a modular system, so you know, making things you know, disassembling and assembling those parts is easier. They'll have answers very quickly for you, and if the part is also you know, has to be replaced or anything like that, of course that will be done within 48 hours, because right now Simple is sold 2500 units till date, and so they have a very small customer base. So they say from 24 hours it could go max to 48 hours in terms of responding to the customers, and that is, I think, very good initiative by them. They're taking the responsibility of being absolutely attentive to customers. That doesn't happen easily. And they also finally have dealership expansion plans, which I told you last week on the website, where they had 150 to 200 dealerships coming in the next couple of years, a year or a year and a half, and they have big plans to escalate the dealership numbers in the first 45 days from today. So they have a lot of work cut ahead of them. They've really made this scooter work out quite well. It is something that has improved you know, improved the lives of certain customers who are the first adopters for the Simple Energy 1, and this 1.5 takes the game forward. It will come to showrooms nationwide, and that is where it will impress a lot of customers. One test ride, it all it takes to be impressed. This review, the specs and everything that we've told you multiple times on our website will help you realize that this actually is one of the very best balanced out scooters, be it in terms of comfort, be it in terms of family oriented, be it in terms of performance and range. Everything just falls together really well, and we're really happy to get our hands on it, and looking forward to spending you know, more time with this to understand the range, the charging, and once that happens, you will come to know if you subscribe to us, follow us on our website and social media and YouTube for everyday updates. Until then, thank you so much for watching. See you next time in the next video. Goodbye.